Matthew Phelps and Lauren Hugelmeyer married just 10 months ago. He was studying to be a minister. She taught Sunday school. In a chilling 911 call this weekend, Phelps, his voice altered by police, says he may have killed his new wife in their Raleigh home.
I have blood all over me, and there's a bloody knife on the bed, and I think I did it.
Okay, do you think she is beyond any help?
I don't know. I'm too scared to get too close to her.
He claims to have woken from a dream to find his wife dead and blamed cold medicine.
I took more medicine than I should have.
He said to help him sleep. Phelps, now charged with murder, made his first court appearance today.
You could receive the death penalty or life without the possibility of parole.
We have to ask everybody to withhold judgment in this particular case until we know more.
It wouldn't be the first time cold medicine has been used as a defense for murder. Louis Chen, a Seattle doctor, tried it last year and got the maximum prison sentence.
It seems like a desperate long shot, but it's theoretically possible if there's strong medical testimony to show that an extreme dose could cause an extremely violent reaction, and if there's no evidence whatsoever that the defendant had a motive to murder his wife.
Phelps has no criminal record. He can be heard sobbing during that 911 call.
He didn't deserve this. Why?
Why? A question Lauren Hugelmeyer's friends and family are undoubtedly wondering too. Blake McCoy, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.